In the rhythm of the city, movement is everything. And the TOOFLY-GQ8 electric scooter is built to keep that rhythm alive. Designed for modern urban commuting, it blends power, comfort, and practicality into a ride that feels effortless from the moment you unfold it. With a strong 250-watt motor driven by a reliable 48-volt, 15-amp-hour lithium battery, the GQ8 delivers the smooth acceleration and steady performance you need to glide through daily life with confidence. The journey starts before your first ride. With a simple, secure unfolding process, the GQ8 transforms from compact storage to road-ready in seconds. Every lock clicks into place with precision, giving the frame a solid, stable feel. The adjustable saddle brings comfort to riders from 5'1" to 6'1", while the breathable design keeps long rides cool and effortless. The handlebars adjust easily as well, rising to a comfortable height that keeps your posture natural and your control steady. Once the battery is fully charged, the experience begins. Step onto the wide, non-slip deck, built with room to balance, breathe, and move. A gentle push off the ground sets the scooter rolling, and with one smooth press of the throttle, the motor carries you forward with quiet confidence. The ride is balanced, controlled, and intuitive, guided by your hands and supported by responsive handling that makes city travel simple. When it's time to slow down, the GQ8 keeps your safety at the forefront. Equipped with front and rear drum brakes, it delivers consistent, reliable stopping power. A gentle squeeze on the levers brings the scooter to a smooth, controlled stop. Whether you're navigating crowded streets, rolling down bike paths, or handling unpredictable city moments, the braking system responds with accuracy every time. Guiding you along the way is a bright LED LCD display set cleanly into the handlebars. Even under strong daylight, your speed, battery level, and odometer stay clear and easy to read. With a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour, you get the perfect balance between pace and safety, letting you ride efficiently without pushing beyond urban comfort limits. And caring for the GQ8 is just as simple as riding it. Charging the battery regularly helps maintain long-term performance, while keeping it stored in a cool, dry place ensures longevity. Regular inspections of brakes, bolts, and connections keep the scooter in peak condition, ready for every commute, every errand, every moment when freedom of movement matters. The TOOFLY-GQ8 isn't just an electric scooter, it's a partner for your daily rhythm. Foldable, comfortable, powerful, and thoughtfully engineered for real-world travel. It gives you control of your time, freedom on your route, and a smoother way to move through the world around you. With the GQ8, your journey becomes easier, cleaner, and far more enjoyable every single day.